Hello everyone, this is Liu Hằng. Welcome. This is my favorite steamed buns. Steamed bao buns are very popular for any meal or snack time in Asia. This is my Vietnamese savory buns with pork, Chinese sausage, and boiled egg. The dough is delightful, soft and fluffy. The ingredients are simple, not complicated. First, start with the dough. After experimenting with several recipes, I found this method to yield the best results. To achieve the light color and texture, I recommend using Asian all-purpose flour, exotic Chinese or Thai Korean. If these options are not available, cake and pastry flour can be substituted to achieve the light texture. Flour, salt, and sugar, baking powder along with the canola oil. Additionally, prepare a paste by cooking cornstarch and water, employing the Tangzhong method. These methods improve the bun's texture and freshness, and the addition of cornstarch results in a light, soft, and airy bun. Combine water, yeast, pour into the flour, mix the dough by hand or using a stand mixer with a dough hook. And then when the dough forms to a ball, say 3 to 4 minutes. It's not necessary for it to be elastic for this specific type of dough. Now leave the dough in the container on the counter for a couple hours while I prepare the filling. As you notice, bao buns appear similar, but their fillings are distinct. To prepare the filling, I used ground pork, sauce, soy sauce, ground black pepper, finely chopped green onion, and cilantro stems. Omitting cilantro if you don't like it. A cilantro is optional. Saute shallot and onion, which should be cool before being added to the meat. Vermicelli noodles that soak in cold water and cut into short, small pieces. Clear noodle and cornstarch help bind the filling together effectively and ensure the meat remains chilled during mixing. And add small amount of sugar, or consider use MSG chicken powder or veggie powder. Divide the meat into small portions, then add the Chinese sausage and boiled egg. Chinese sausage, boiled and sliced in thinly, then fry it again to make fragrant. It's yummy like bacon. I boiled the egg for 8 minutes, then cut into quarter or into half. It's up to your preference. Steaks are now expensive. It's yummy. Okay, now the dough is ready. So divide it into 6 chunks. Make a few folds to create a texture. 1 or 2 will do. Let them rest for 5 minutes before rolling them out and wrapping the filling. Roll the dough flat. Place the filling in the center and make a few pleats in the dough, starting from one edge and working your way around and finishing with a pinch at the top to seal the bunch for a traditional look. I might not be an expert in wrapping buns, but one thing is for sure, I have the best buns I ever made. Arrange each bun on parchment paper. Let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes and steam for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size of the buns. You can steam directly on the metal steamer or use the bamboo steamer. I favor the bamboo steamer due to its bamboo aroma and ability to retain steam water, thereby keeping the bottom of the buns from getting over wet. For the details, recipe online in the description and on my website. I appreciate your viewership and support of my channel. Please consider subscribing and sharing. I look forward to your return in the next video. Bye!